there. Oh shit, feel it. All right, if you watch me live from Wazobia TV, my name is MC Shaggy. Once again, as make I enter street, we don't care. If you watch me, if you watch my back, now you say now, hold up. Now I want to NBC yes, Lagosians, they no fear avoid. But you get another to say, I know say Nigeria fear avoid fuel scarcity. Whether we fear avoid fuel scarcity for this country, I don't know, because if you see the car when they line up like this, go reach up. Now fuel that they wait for, and some people don't there for over 2 hours, 3 hours, 4 hours. Some people there since morning. Some people even sleep for here. I hear some people self process of leaving their car here, the thief lose side mirror, lose. Some people even forget their motor. Some people don't even forget say they get motor self. Say that they look for fuel. And so that's why I make I enter street to the man. This one of the street are they again. Now road are they now. They for main road. Won't find out how long. Then what will be the possibility? What if you say government go fit do? Now they change when they wait for this, or now they change when they put for pockets, or now they one way. I want no change. We don't hear. We don't. But now they change. Whether now they change with the see so. Still on the matter on street channels on Wazobia TV. My name is MC Shaggy. Quick there. You get one bros here. Bros, how far now?
Yo.
How long you done there?
Since 10 o'clock.
Since 10 o'clock now you done there.
And time now 12:35.
You still get home so you go get fuel?
Well, I don't even know how the situation of...
My brother, not fear. Just speak pidgin English. Now Wazobia TV.
Okay, I said I don't know how the situation of this place will be, because since 10 o'clock now, where I don't dey here is not moving at all. And the way I dey is too far from where I'm expecting to buy fuel.
Now, if you reach there, my brother, I don't move now.
Okay.
Oh. If you reach there now, you get hope say now 87 naira per litre they go sell.
I get hope because I dey for the right
filling station.
I dey for the right filling station.
Okay, you dey for the right
where I know
station.
say they no go sell.
Because you get some filling station where they see they sell 100 naira
black market now.
No.
Yeah.
Me I buy 100 naira per litre yesterday.
Yes.
You understand?
Okay.
Some filling station they do am, but you get some specific filling station where they say they carry am for head.
Yes.
And that thing they happen mostly for Surulere. You understand?
Okay.
So most filling station there, but I don't understand. But if I come out from here now, I will call the name of the filling station for this camera.
Okay.
Because all now to make the country dey better.
Yeah, exactly.
But you sure say you go say buy 87 naira.
I'm sure for the place where I dey now, I dey sure say I go buy am for
87 naira. All right, still on the matter on street channels on Wazobia TV. Back it there.
No, the supplement is small. I don't dey inside queue since like 6 o'clock.
Since 6 o'clock in
Yes,
the morning.
and the queue don't go that far, seriously. But right now as it is now, I just have to pull out. I can't stay inside anymore. I'm just going to go and park now.
You are going home to
go and park. Yes,
what do you feel say be the problem? What do you just when you feel say this thing will stop?
I can't tell because this thing has been long. This is the first time.
English, no worry.
Now the first time they see this kind of thing be this. Now the first time they see this kind of thing. It has never happened before.
No, not change. Now, no say when they say change.
Which change be that now? Which change be that now?
Now the change.
Not be all of us ask for this kind of change now. So it's not supposed to be like this. Right now we are suffering and it's been a long time. It don't take now. Which kind of life is this now?
Okay. My brother, I see the way you talk. You feel go out your mind well.
For real now? Why not? Why not? This thing doesn't make any sense. They're saying a change. Okay, what kind of change? They cannot work out anything. Apapa is blocked. Everywhere is blocked. Even if you buy fuel now, you stay inside queue for like how many hours? And the fuel go still burn. You go still come and queue for 100 hours. You cannot come and queue again.
My brother.
You cannot work anything. The whole day will be finished now. Right now as I'm talking to you now, look at the time now. Check time now. Time don't go. Wetin I wan go do now? Wetin I wan go do for work? I mean, I waiting now. The day don't dey useless now. Now people wey dey stay for their house dey do their business, na then they enjoy. Yes na we must go meet clients and do something. Wetin we go do? We go drive motor go now. Now I must save this fuel now. So that na make I dey go house now, because if I dey inside this queue na 100 years I no go see anything. And they say na change. Which change be that?
And I hear say some filling station still dey sell 100 naira.
More than 100 naira sef. I buy day before yesterday. I be which day. Wetin make me get this one be say na wetin I buy na 100 naira I buy am per litre. And government don talk say dem get people wey dey monitor them. Meanwhile na lie.
Na monitoring spirit na dem dey use.
And when you reach there, they go tell you say they no fit give you receipt o. They go tell you say na lie o, na pump price na be this o, but our own be say na 100 naira. But we cannot give you receipt of that 100 naira. It doesn't make any sense. So what kind of change are we talking about now?
All right. Still on the matter on street channels on Wazobia TV for the watch us live. Back it there. Let me change. Back it there. All right, still on the matter. Fuel, wahala, fuel things and all that. I know say big bros don't dey here since morning, and you know say yes, the thing they tell on now. Even as bros there now, he don't tire. Bros, good morning, sir. I've been a good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Now Wazobia TV, so pidgin English, sir.
Okay.
How long you done there, sir?
I joined queue 5 minutes to 10. For
5
one.
minutes to 10.
Yeah.
You check your time.
5 minutes to
I
10.
see that you seem to are a very accurate person on time.
Yeah.
So what do you feel say be the problem? Why this thing be like this? Why the fuel scarcity?
It's just the marketers are not getting credit. They know they get support from bank.
Okay.
So bank they're there to give people money to make profit. But when they give you money, you no pay back. They no gonna give you back. So most of these marketers know they fit get money when they go use buy fuel. That's the issue.
Why they cause issue?
But how we go solve them? Our refineries, we get refineries. You say our refineries they work. I mean, it dey side say you get product, you go take and go abroad. They go refine am for you. You go buy and bring am back to your country.
Very poor.
Very poor now.
Very poor.
Come on.
But I hear say some filling station they sell 100 naira per litre. Why some they sell 120 per litre? Why some na 87 per litre? If you go all these villages like they come up for inside Lagos, you see some they sell 87 per litre. But like all this one when they inside Lagos and this I don't call filling station name. But if I come out with you now call some filling station name, that one not concern you. Now me go call am.
Yeah.
That, but I don't know. Is it not true, Nabi?
Not true.
Like this one when you did now, you sure say you go buy
And they come here every time. And the normal price we
And
go
the
buy
normal
87.
price
87.
87 and then they sell.
Why they live down there, down. Filling station where they near there, they say 120, 130, 130.
Like
Yes.
plenty, oh. But like me, where I come from Surulere, they say 100 naira per litre, from now 120 per litre. Understand? And I will call their name later.
The one where they near where they live for VGC, the one where they in front of VGC, I not go call the name, but they say right now they say 120.
So I know the one in front of VGC there.
They say
When
one-
in front of VGC, beside VGC,
Beside
just come outside there.
they say now 120.
120 per litre. Still on the matter. All right, straight chance on Wazobia TV. My name is MC Shaggy. Still on the matter. Fue. Back it up. Oh shit.
Not on me, on a supposed to interview on I forgot them.
We dey go there now. But when we reach there, we know wetin dey go on. See, as today like this, how long you don dey here?
Well, it don't go like 1 hour. But don't pass 1 hour, sir.
Okay, now
Because
you say you
we
no
start
pick up.
from back.
Let me say you no pick on now. You
No,
pick
but
up
not the
fast.
time.
I hear say somebody dey here, I just meet and I see don dey here since 10 o'clock.
But not true, sir, because na like to 11, sir, now I come.
Yeah, na true. The
Eh,
hyper when you dey talk first. It come different from now when you dey talk when camera don face you.
My brother wanna go. Man, must be like big boy now. I be big boy because
So what you feel say go be the problem? Why you don take something for your wahala?
my brother, I want to know. Even the government where they there now, the Papa went enter there, now, you know even know.
You
So
know
now me
you
will know. The guy confused. So now me will know.
So you sef confused.
I don't know. I know.
Maybe na be the change when we dey look for now.
I believe. Now go
No
go
be
do
change
am.
for pocket o.
Now go.
When they put for change to change the attitude.
That be smart thing. My brother, we need to be very careful about this change. We don't know. That's why they start change. You know, so this one now, we don't know if they start change. Another person go say, "I lie." And they start change. And then somebody threaten me. Nah, shut up. I say, my brother, change what they find. 15 change. Now they find so. Love you.
All right, still on the matter of straight as I don't say na joke today. Still on the matter of straight as on Wazobia TV. Bros, you get anything where you want to talk? All right, I don't say you don't know. Where your car? And your car be this. Why can't they post like saying your car be this? So you not even get motor. Okay, no, that your key be like cupboard key. Bro, how long you don't here?
Oh, me, I don't dey here since to 10.
Since
Since
to
to
10.
10 now from Onyebuchi Beach. I mean, Elebuchi Beach.
Oh, yeah, Gucci Beach.
Whether na Onyebuchi, I mean,
Elebuchi
Elebuchi Beach. Now I'm from there.
Where
You
they
think
die,
just
they
dey crawl like snail.
They crawl like snail.
Small.
And I see
Heat
like
don't do
say-
me so
you
tey I
don't
don't come
you
down.
sure say na heat too, abi you go dirty,
My brother, na heat and dust. No, I
Okay,
just
na
come
heat,
down, go
na
away.
like say na
Yeah.
he go you fake.
No, God forbid, na so my eye be. As the thing don't hit me for head now, everything have to turn up. Brain memory don't scatter everything. I have to come down, go wee myself.
Abi,
And the thing don't even move. Worst come to worst, some people they join from one angle.
different angle there.
When they want move, now these people waiting for go slow, they go find their way, enter. And the line go they long, they go.
Yeah.
You see? So since then, myself, I don't tire to wait for the go slow.
So
I don't find, go Konoya, no see fuel. Even more what they say before they don't close.
You know the most funniest thing, if you buy fuel 1.5 now or 2.5, as it's end of the day for hold up again, like 1,005.
The thing go finish even if you buy full tank itself. Before you go waka from one roundabout to the other, the fuel don't finish. No be go slow. Go slow for here, no they move at all now.
Constant.
Now constant, this one na snail, they waka like
I
snail.
tell you, go slow. As my brother they talk, go slow for island. Not be go slow. To me, not be go slow. They call am car park.
Na car park, oh, the
Na
thing
car
carry
park.
mat, carry mat, carry pillow.
Everywhere is relax. But before, if you dey wash well, if na lie, when you dey go towards Ajah side, as you don reach before VGC, as you pass out that side they go. That hold up when they that place, you go see the hold up so that they sell egusi soup for road, banga, everything, Maggi. If you carry your money, go buy everything, meat. We have to fear that hold now. When they sell meat, come. Me when they go job, I say no hope.
I tell you,
If for them to come sell meat for road, let me say no
I
problem.
don't buy gala for here.
You don't buy gala.
Chop, buy what they call am, this plastic mineral drink.
Drink.
Yeah, I still that one now breakfast though.
Na breakfast.
I'm still waiting for lunch. I never know when I go eat dinner here. In fact, I never know the time when the food go take reach. Before we go reach petrol station, if it be say na 4 or 5 o'clock.
All right, back at that. Still on the matter, 3 chance on Wazobia TV. My name is MC Shaggy. If you touch it that, the TV go shock you. Still on the matter. Come. Yeah, enter. Yeah, enter. Take him. Elena. You know, now one of those things now, you know, say now most of the things when we dey see, when we dey the challenges when we dey see for road, when we come road call also like this. Now also I dey call am anybody when they watch me for TV, one another say also this one also even federal government tomorrow they also. I tell you, still on the matter. These are one of those things when they happen. You see am? Na fuel dey cause all these things, na fuel. No minor. Which kind of confusion dey cause?
It's a big confusion. You know there for line since morning, since 5 o'clock. Are they here? Look at what this man. Look at what they are doing here. Is that how to do something? Are you on the line? Are you? Is this not the key? Are you on the line? Are you on the line? Come and enter. Let me see. Come and enter. Let me see. Come and enter. 5 o'clock when I was here. See. Come and enter here.
All right, now most of wetin dey cause most of the na fuel. Federal government na try. These are the changes we are trying to face, but we are waiting for the changes. The changes now not be going. Oga, oh yeah, be going. Oga, how far? Order. Since when you dey here?
Sorry. Why you dey allow these people? Why they can't you move? Abeg move, let you go. We dey here since morning.
You know the same time we came here. You know the same time we come here. This guy was behind me. We are the same place. We come the same time. Don't give me
No, say sometimes when you dey argue, when the other one no know the base of the argument, you go just cause wahala, katakata go just dey stand down. You know that kind of thing. Now wetin dey happen now? That one just come, you don't know, you just explain, they give the other one. The two now, they don't even understand. And at the same thing they do, the same thing they argue. You check out that kind of thing. You see, no basement of the argument. Where, bros, how long you don't do here?
My brother, since 5 o'clock I was here. As you can see me, I'm very hungry. I've not eaten since.
Since morning.
Since morning. Look at my car. Then bash my car. Look at this place there. Look at that place. Look at that place. Because of the fuel issue. You see how?
But you sure say when you reach that place, you sure say before you get the filling station. But most of the, I noticed say most people don't even know. Some people don't know whether the filling station they sell or not. They're just there for hold up since morning.
We are here. We are trying our luck. Let's see whether we buy.
But you don't go come out to go check whether the filling station they sell.
I don't want other people to boycott me.
But
Yes.
you know, at the end of the day, if you drive reach that place, before you know day.
I want to try my luck and see.
My brother, this luck when you try, not too good though. You try not too good because some people don't dey and they hear some people say that filling station not they sell.
I don't know because I didn't went to that place. I am here since morning inside my car. Yes.
All right.
So I want to.
When you feel say like how much you sell per liter?
I don't know until I'll get there.
Okay.
Before I will know the price.
All right. No wahala now. Enjoy your stay. Still on the matter, 3 times on Wazobia TV. Break it there. Good afternoon. How far now you dey?
I'm okay.
How long you don dey here?
I'm here since 5 o'clock.
Since 5 o'clock.
Yeah.
But you sure say the filling station dey sell?
They are selling.
You sure?
Yeah.
You dey very sure?
Yeah, they are selling.
Okay, no wahala. And you dey enjoy yourself. Even as the fuel no dey, you still on AC, everything dey go on.
What should I kill myself?
You no fit kill yourself. God
Because that is Nigeria for you. That is the situation we always face in this country.
All right, if you dey wash well, some people they don't take am by faith says anyhow I want be made be for this country. They don't cut through. Tell me with this kind of attitude and everything, this country you fit see the change when they look for. Whether we fit still get the change when they look for. You sure say the change fit come?
No.
No fit come at all.
No.
At all. Because even most average Nigerians they don't lose hope. No, this change no fit come. Even newborn baby when they born today, no see corruption in this country. Most filling stations them, the two they sell as they sell 100 naira per liter, 20. If you go Surulere, like most Surulere filling station, you will see all those different ones. Then filling station, different kind. The fraud when they go on there too much. Sell different high price, 120 per liter, 100 naira per liter. Like yesterday, I buy 100 naira per liter for one filling station in there for Ijesha Road. Then get one new one they just open for that Ijesha Road too. Now so 100 naira per liter for what? Why it go be like that? And now we use our hand they kill ourselves. More check out for this country. Now we dey use our own hand, they kill ourselves. What you go make it say? Fuel day they hold them. Because of waiting, the top ones they are eating, and the less privileged ones stress won't kill them for this country. Still on the matter, Street Chance on Wazobia TV. If you get conscience as a politician, if you get conscience as a leader in this country, make everything they well for the poor masses and the less privileged people for this country. God they see you. Street Chance on Wazobia TV. No, if you touch at the verse, I go buy my own fuel.
So, did you like what you just saw? I know you did. It's very simple. If you want to see more, just subscribe to our channel right now.